You know that feeling when you realize a chapter is coming to an end? For weeks, the Sea of Cortez had felt calm, quiet, almost timeless. We spent Christmas surrounded by great people, empty anchorages, rugged mountains, and the kind of solitude that's hard to find anywhere else. Life doesn't get much better than that. But unfortunately, it was time to turn around, leaving friends behind, watching the weather begin to change, and saying goodbye to the Sea of Cortez. Eventually, every adventure comes to an end. Good morning. We just picked up anchor and we're leaving Agua Verde. Beautiful spot, 10 out of 10. It's definitely one of my favorite anchorages so far. The shrimp tacos on the beach in the shack were amazing. But yeah, we are pretty much out of everything. So we're gonna go straight for Puerto Escondido and go fill up on a bunch of stuff. And then we'll make our way to Laredo and check it out. Okay, we just finished filling up on everything. We got diesel, water, gas. So now we're gonna head over here to this anchorage for the night and we'll wake up and go to Laredo first thing in the morning. We also stopped and grabbed some Powerades, which it's so nice to have something sweet to drink. But yeah, I'll check in with you guys later when we start heading over to Laredo. What a beautiful morning. Check it out. We're gonna start pulling up the anchor, making our way over to Laredo here in a little bit.
We made it to Laredo, and there is absolutely no wind, a single knot. But it makes for some pretty beautiful imagery. And we're gonna go anchor right over there. is Christmas Eve. Happy Christmas Eve to the moms and all our friends and family. We are outside of Laredo, Mexico. We stopped here and had some amazing food at El Zopilote. Awesome place to check out if you're around. Met some cool people who own a coffee shop and live here. Met some people who just bought a house in Napolo. That was cool. We also provisioned, so we got all of our drinks and hopefully a month's worth of food. And everybody was really nice here, as has been the case for most of Mexico. And now we're headed over to Bahia Balandra with our friend Matt on No Reservations. Here he is right behind us. And there's Tony, looking grumpy as always. And this is what it looks like. No wind. No wind anywhere. Still beautiful though. We are expecting to see some wind by Sunday, and it's supposed to be pretty heavy. So we're gonna head out after Christmas, have some Christmas dinner with Matt, and then we're gonna head out back towards La Paz before we jump over to the mainland. So that's the plan, and try and get better about talking to you guys and doing more of these recordings so we can actually explain what's going on in our videos. See you soon. Happy Christmas!
Oh, it's a race.
Wait, so we have an alien. Oh, damn, shark fin! How long shark fin? Make soup out of that. Hey! Did I stray? Except for that. More rocks. Secret beach. Secret beach. After a relaxing Christmas day, it was time to turn around and start heading south. As much as we loved the Sea of Cortez, the water was starting to get cold and every anchorage had loads of jellyfish. But all that aside, mainland Mexico was calling our names and we couldn't wait to see a more tropical setting. This is also where we part ways with Matt, a much appreciated friend that we are so glad to have met. We're sad to see him go, but such is the life of a cruiser. People come, people go, each boat is on its own adventure. But in stark contrast to the calm and still weather on our way up, we were watching a strong northerly wind build in the coming days on the forecast. We need to move fast and find protection before it hits. The Sea of Cortez is famous for the fetch that builds during these northerly winds. As the wind travels down the 500-mile sea, it creates these unreasonably steep, short-period waves that make for a very uncomfortable ride. So, it's time to get going. Buenos dias from Agua Verde once again. We are trying to bomb it south, so this is the first leg. We're off to our second leg this morning, up bright and early. Beautiful sunrise this morning. Hopefully some wind. Yesterday we motored all day. Super not fun. We're a sailboat, not a motorboat. But it looks like maybe 10, 15 knots. So hopefully we get at least that. And yeah, we're heading out. Well, it's not a mahi, but it's a big-ass skipjack.
Well, we got some wind.
Sure do.
Not a lot, but it makes these incredibly short period uncomfortable waves, which cameras never do it justice, so it's gonna look like the thing's sailing. Well, about 6 more hours of this, but luckily we're getting out of the channel, so it's not going to be as bad, hopefully, the whole way. Okay, bye. Well, it's calmed down a little bit. Life jackets had to go on though. Except for Sydney. She's too cool for school.
I didn't go forward.
Yeah, she's been back here in the safety of the cockpit turning a wheel.
Hey, it's more than turning a wheel. We are getting ready to head to La Paz. It's a bit windy, as you can see. But it's supposed to be the least windy of these last 3 days. So it should calm down a little bit later in the day. It's probably 17, gusting 20, 25 out there. And it's supposed to calm down to around like the 15s later in the day. The waves are a little bit smaller than we were seeing the last time we were out there, so that's good. A little bit longer period, even better. Those short period waves in the Sea of Cortez are gnarly. But yeah, so we're getting ready. We're stowing everything, making sure we're all tightened down and getting ready to head out. Should be about 6 hours, so we will take you with us. Just had to come back on and say, wow, I look like I need a good night's sleep. Woo! Gonna get one in the vase.
All right, let's haul up.
Not as windy as predicted. Also, the sea state is smaller than predicted as well. It said it was going to be 3 feet. That don't look like 3 feet. The wind came back. Oh no! What can I do? Fuck. Woo! Oh my gosh, whatever it is strong.
Come on. Tire out, my gosh. Second wind.
Oh no.
Can you slow us down more?
I'm trying.
I don't think this is a skipjack.
I don't think so either. I've got the gaff and the bapper. What else do you think I need? Knife?
Yeah, pliers.
Knife and pliers. Grabbing. Baby, got this. You got a lot of the line back too.
Try to get under them. No, go the other way. Other way.
Other way? All right, I'm trying.
And then just pull up on them. Pull up, jab them. No, get in deeper.
I'm trying. Nice catch, Tony. What a fight. A murder! How you feel after your first big catch?
Tired.
I'll bet. just like that, the Sea of Cortez is complete. Wait. We did it! Here's to hoping that there's less jellyfish outside of the Sea of Cortez.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing if you haven't done so already, and leave a comment. Let me know what you liked, what you don't like, so I can make my videos better. On the next video, we are going to be making the crossing from La Paz to Mazatlan for a change of scenery, which will be nice. And yeah, thanks for watching again, and I'll see you next time.